Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for February 19th recipes, this is it. So this is the half chicken. This is baked chicken. So we're just going to marinate it with a powder and leave it for at least an hour in the rice cooker before we're going to turn it on. So next is the pork knuckle. So these are the ingredients for our pork knuckles. And let's saute because this is matagal. So we're going to cook it now. Let's just saute it into the wok together with the ingredients, a little bit of oil to remove the excess color. Continue sauteing it and turn the other side. If you can see that it's almost, the color is almost changed. Ganun na lang, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin yung alam nyo na yun. So, ganun lang po, gisa-gisa. So, habang nagigisa tayo, big love shout out po sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat po ng mga tahanan na umampun kay Sulabi, big love shout out. Thank you very much po for supporting my channel. At sa lahat po ng mga tahanan na umampun kay Sulabi, thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. Next, we're going to add in our boiling water. We have the pre-boiled water before we saute the pork knuckles in the wok. So let's just add it in and then transfer it to the pot and then let it boil for around 30 to 45 minutes, or depends if you want very soft, you can also use 1 hour. So this is it. This is the finished product of our pork knuckle. So next, let's proceed to the next recipe. This is the live shrimps. You see, they are moving actually. You see, they are live shrimps. So this is for our next recipe, and this one is for the fish soup. They love it, so we're going to repeat and repeat cooking this recipe. This is actually good for skin. Ayan, so they love it. This is the ingredients, and this one is for the Shanghai pork. Ayan, these are our ingredients for cooking for the recipes for tonight. So pinakita ko lang po sa inyo. So for our shrimps, let's just wash it properly and set it aside and prepare our steaming pot. Let's just add some water to our steaming pot para ready na po mamaya pag pwede na siya. Kasi this is just very quick to cook. So let's just prepare and set it aside before we're going to start the next recipe. So now let's proceed to our soup, the cooking of the soup. So these are our ingredients: the tomato and ginger. I already sliced them, and then now we're going to add some water in the pot and then put these ingredients into it, and then let's boil the water together. So now let's proceed to our fish. So these are the fish. I already cut it, slice it. And of course, let's do the process. Let's just do the washing. Let's just remove all the unwanted colors that we don't want. Ayan. So, in short, linisin natin maigi para matanggal po yung kulay pula. Ayan ha. Para walang lansa. So, after that, we're just going to set it aside and drain the excess waters. So next, we're going to cook our rice. So this is the mixed rice. Ayan, so started. Next, we're going to proceed the next recipe. This is the most requested recipe in the house. Ayan. So this is the Shanghai pork, and now we're sauteing it with a bar sugar. Let's just make sure that the pork is already well sauteed for a while together with the sugar para matanggal yung pula na ayaw natin, kasi yun ang lansa, no? So let's just remove that one before we're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. Ayan, so nag-love shout out po sa inyo lahat dyan. to my family and friends, new YouTube friends, new subscribers, new likers. Thank you very much po sa inyong support sa aking channel at panonood niyo sa aking vlogs. So that is the rice wine. We added some rice wine to make it more fresh. Ayan, that's the way of making a meat fresh. And the next is the black soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and the light soy sauce. So that's the combination of wine, dark soy sauce, and the light soy sauce. Mix it together. Ayan, habang nagmi-mix tayo, kumusta po ang lahat? Okay lang ba kayo? So let's add in our chili, ginger, and onions with the bay leaves. What else? Ayan. So that is the process of making the Shanghai pork. This is my style, and this is my original recipe. And next, the boiling water. So the process of doing this is just boiling it for around 45 minutes. So just check it so that it won't be burnt. So ayan, nakita natin na mukha na siyang soft. So that is our Shanghai pork. And it's very delicious kasi lagi nilang nire-request. So ibig sabihin, masarap. Ayan. So next, kumulo na ang ating pinakulong water for the fish. So let's add in salt into the fish na namutla na. Ayan, gumalaw pa. Ibig sabihin, fresh na fresh talaga. Gumalaw pa yung buntot, no? Kita nyo? Ayan. Buhay pa yan. Kahit na putol na. So let's luto na natin yan. Let's fry it with ginger into the very hot wok. Ayan. So fry lang natin yan hanggang maluto. And then we're going to turn the other side pag nakita natin na pwede na siya. Pwede na natin baliktarin. While waiting for our fried fish, let's check our chicken. Tingnan din natin ang ating half chicken. Ayan, half lang yan for today. Kasi regular days lang. So let's add in the boiling tomato water with the ginger. Ayan. So, look at that. There's magic. The water turns white. Now, let's open. Add in again. Yeah. So, add in, close, and then close. For around 15 to 30 minutes. Tapos, let's add in the tofu para na yan sa final touch. So, habang nagluluto tayo ng soup, magsaserve tayo ng tea. Next, let's proceed to the shrimp. So, kumulo na yung water natin doon sa steamer. So, let's add in the shrimps. Cover it and cook it for just 5 to 8 minutes. Ganun lang, pabilis. Next, while waiting for the shrimps, let's serve the soup. So these are the soup for 4 persons. Next, we're going to check our chicken if it's already ready to cut and serve. So this is our baked chicken from the rice cooker. As we can see here, the color changes already. So this is ready for slicing. And for our sauce, let's just add in some boiling oil into it. So that's our sauce for the chicken. Chop the chicken and ready to serve. So this is only half and this is the sauce for it. Next, we're going to check our shrimps if they're already done. Let's make sure that it's not overcooked. Next, we're going to proceed to the next recipe. This is the conch. We're just going to saute it with these ingredients that you can see here. This is the basil and the rest are there. So we're just going to saute it with butter, shallots, basil, chili, a slice of ginger. So pag na-amoy nyo, na alam nyo nang nangamoy na hanggang sa kapitbahay, pwede nyo nang i-add ang conch. Ayan, gisa-gisa. This is just very quick, around 3 to 5 minutes na gisa at pwede na. So ganun lang po kasimple. Lagyan lang natin ng konting light soy sauce and rice wine. So to add in the freshness. So that's it. That's almost ready. And lastly, squeeze it with some lemon and then put it in the plate and serve. So yeah, that's ready. So lastly is the vegetable. So we're cooking here the cauliflower. This is organic and this is very nutritious. So while doing that, let's prepare and plate. Let's do the plating for our recipes for today. Some are already served, that's why this is just what remains in the kitchen. So this is the vegetable, cauliflower. As you can see here, this is very half cooked, the shrimps with the sauce. Let's eat, everyone. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you very much po. Please stay connected to be updated with my next videos. Once again, this is Olubi, always reminding you to stay healthy and be safe always po. See you in my next videos. Maraming salamat po ulit. Paalam!